Hey guys, now in this video we are going to make something like this. How cool is this dual tone effect using gradients? It's pretty simple. Let me show you how to do that real quick in Photoshop. Just follow me. Hey guys, now quick up, open your browser and open up Unsplash Photos for everyone and just select the image. Feel free, whichever you want you can select it. I've chose the previous paint dripping effect image, so you can just download this image. Just click on download here, save it and just open up in Photoshop. Just press Ctrl O so that it opens, or go to file and open. So let me do that for you. Click no, wait, let me open up the image. Yep, I've opened this. So to reset it, sorry, just press Ctrl 0. It resets it and fits it to background. Now unlock the layer by clicking on the padlock icon. Just rename it. You can I'll rename it as subject. Yep. Now hover above your gradient tool right here. Yep, this is the gradient tool. Now you can take a look at this gradient fill. Okay, you can even open this from image adjustments and gradient. Where is it? Yeah, gradient map. Yeah, you can open up it from wherever you want. Okay, no big deal. I'll just open up it here real quick. It's handy. Just open it and you can take a look at it. Gradient, style, angle, scale. Now we'll play with that. Okay, just double click this empty layer here, and this is the angle of it. See, you can take a look at it. The black thing goes left side, also right side. You can play with the angle. Now give the angle as 0 so that the black gradient stays on the left side of the photo. Now double click this gradient fill. Now come here, you can take a look at this, right? Just double click it and move this thing with color picker. Okay, move this color picker and it shows a different kind of colors. Now come here and select pink. Yeah, this is good. I'll select dark pink, darkest. Just click OK. You can take a look at the code FF00EA. Just click OK, no big deal. And you can play with this. You can take a look at this. See, it's on his face. Yeah, for me this is good. And you can take a look at the dot here. It straightens up the gradient fill. It was like a faded thing, right? See, now there is a straight line. You don't want it like this. For dual tone effect there should be a faded region, like it should be something like this. And you can take a look at the white thing. See, I need it like this. Okay, let me adjust this. You can take a look at the location and opacity. Don't play with opacity, just leave it as it is. Just click OK. This is the first gradient fill. You can take a look at it here, that a new layer has been formed. Just click OK and leave the setting as they were. Just click OK. Then you can play with the blending color mode right here. Just hover above on color. See how cool is it. See, boom, there is an effect. Now we need one more gradient fill. You can just copy this by pressing Ctrl J. I'll just get back, edit, step backwards, or even you can pull this right here in the plus icon. It forms a new layer. I don't want that. I'll get back. See this arrow mark, create new layer. I don't want that. I'll just make a new gradient. Yeah, now assign this angle as 180 degrees, or you can just type it. Wait, 180. Yeah, so it's to the right side of the photo. Now double tap in the gradient, double click in the gradient fill. Now just select a color. I'll select blue. Sorry, I'll select blue. Yeah, blue. No, light blue is good. Yeah, light blue is good, darkest color. And I'll select the fill of this fade in. You can even do, oops, press Ctrl Z to get back. I messed it up. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. Yep, good to go. Sorry if there is any background noise. Yeah, so just click OK, no big deal. Just click OK and play with the blending mode. Like I'll choose color. Yeah, this is this is damn easy. See, hold to just drag it here. See, just drag the eye icon here. You can take a look at it before and after the dual tone effect using gradient fill. It's this simple. Yeah, now for class project, just pick up an image from Unsplash. You can pick up this image and just apply gradient fill dual tone effect for this photo. Yep, and I'll see you in the next video.